Hello, hello, my crafty friends. Danny here of Danny's Dreams, and today I am stopping by for a project share of my first week of cards using mermaids for MerMay 2023. I first found out about MerMay from Amy Young of Sweet November Stamps, and then I was hooked. I love mermaids. I love all kinds of things that are all fantasy. Fairies, dragons, trolls, gnomes. But mermaids hold a special part of my heart. Words are hard. This is also the 5th time I've done this. My camera wasn't recording and yeah. Anyways, boy, I'm rambling. I used to do Mermaid Monday, but I got burned out on that, so I am just focusing my mermaid cards for right now on MerMay. So far I've been really good, and I've had one every day this, starting off the month. We'll see how long that lasts. But anyways, day 1 I have this fun card that uses a set from Sweet November Stamps. In the description box below is a link to all the blog posts so you can find out more information if you're so inclined. This was a Distress Oxide ink background splattered with some water. And then I cut out the mermaids and the turtle to add to it, stamped some of the other background images, and then I did put some glossy accents on those bubbles. And there's her on the inside because I thought she was so cute with that little shrimp. I just love her. Next up, it was Craftin' Kemi's Scrappy Challenge, which is anything but a card. I used an alcohol ink background that I created during a live with Crafty Al, and I just colored up these mermaids from the Craftin' Kemi stamp set Be a Mermaid, added lots of sparkle, added some sparkle gems, and I made a memory dex card for myself. I am obsessed with these lately. I did make a huge boo-boo, but this mermaid covers it up. I tried to stamp on this, and I don't know if this is the Yupo paper or some of the photo paper that Crafty Al had given me, but my stamp stuck to it, and I was using the Misty, so I thought I would be fine, and I tried it again, and it moved, and it looked horrible, but I covered it up, and I don't think anyone will know except for now because I told you. So there's that one. Next up, I used a very old digital stamp from Michelle Perkett. I don't think she even has a shop anymore. It says, "A woman in harmony with her spirit is like a river flowing" by Maya Angelou. And I just colored her up. I thought that she should be the center stage, so I kept it very clean and simple. I did add some Spectrum Noir sparkle pen to her. I don't know if the camera picks it up. Very, very cool. I'm obsessed, I think, with these wonky stitched dies lately. They're by Gina Marie Designs. So that's that. And then I just did that on the inside. Then I have this one, which is a digital stamp from the Greeting Farm called Coralina Merbean. The paper is some retired basic gray. I miss my basic gray, but I have lots of it to use. I used a sketch offhand. I can't think of who it's by. I've been drawn to Mojo Monday sketches lately, so that's what I'm guessing it is, but maybe not. It's on my blog, and I messed up when I was creating this because for some reason I had in my mind that it was going this way, but I just put it down there, and I thought it turned out kind of fun. There's that one. And then I ended this week with a gnarly card from the stamp set is a retired one from Newton's Nook. It is a Distress Oxide blended background again, splashed with water. And then I don't think the camera will pick it up. Maybe it will. I used Avery L's shimmer spray on it as well. I had the dies for these, so I colored them up and then cut them out, added some enamel dots, and I just used that wonky stitch rectangle on the inside there too. So there's my first week of MerMay 2023. I hope you enjoyed seeing my mermaid projects. I hope to be back soon-ish with some more to share with you. I also hopefully will have up later this afternoon a quick stencil video. And until then, I hope you have an amazing crafty day and take some time to do something for yourself. See you soon.